eja demu ebusuya asamaba me no ka say di eja eda NDC camp mu Kasoa no esewani ensa o ka kire ka say hit wo comment section mu efema me no ka say di TK one of NDC executives o mu Kasoa na tin the way say to diama na akoyo no ebusuya esewani ensa o ka kire o say na all this wow no na akoyo ada no ama we twam to na to Hawa Koomson so anya no kre eno nti wa pa Hawa Koomson chow asa nso apa Muntaka chow say omonfa ne born in channel because na onim dia na oye he was doing everything that he was doing under the influence of na akoyo thinking say he was doing the right no nim say na ya trapping or the na to am na kesiem and then same day busuya ebia komu papa na se na me ka kire no higher Ghana in some TV so oba like it was share na kire wa do comment section mo yeden e de amame afei no yen konko tie nsemo a TK NDC National AWW NDC Constituency Executive e wo Kasoa anase e wotu Senior East nsemo da to dwa number ni wi a ya ba kire ya adwen e won
the supporter of the NDC mutie die sesebe we so one man the kura ni wanyim na wo sesebe wo dia politics na abeye I can't try to go so dia I will never accept it and I will never do it. See here, Flames now for your man who said me a useless man. Me nimi nyansa. Ana me bedi nachi ama 7 previous na ke bebo mi tu ekumi. Muni ma die ba ko. Say NDC minister Efra Bonten eye hwehwemu be ka che Ghana phone na say onimu nya akoso wo hwia me kire ma die bi. Etina ensema ne ye ka egu Hawa Koomson so na nya me kure se nya de kure dia mi busa eye intinem minister say 2020 ni so asem osi ye no so eno so no ehun result wey papa Fabra Bonten anya sa mejima de 7 peduasa enyema we no bibi hyase madi ka Hawa Koomson Jordan no me twen sign da anya me twen sign say the ko bi be ba bi no me twen sign because aye honorable for this now ko no masem and I'm the video no because a bad thing one was say obi a me NDC ni na me di me apiachi na niema sebe ma me Hawa Koomson eye tietia yen a ye adwo ye bomu so no ne asu ye define no ele ono kire se sebe eniema si ya no no ati wa o kala no mu nsem no sebe peduasa ene ye busan wo TV3 na say station bi busan na o se ono no ni obi na sa de si ye omo atwo omo no ye ko busa omo ha na wo NDC ni blogger NDC ni TikToker wo be ka chem se be MPP ni I accept it maji mi fu so atu maji mi MPP na me maji atu ba mun kan hu se sama ye bi no ye start say ye campaign ama NDC ni ye Ramahama no na ye nya ya de se mu bi nyama to se bi mpesa mo ba mo tia be kasa kire yewura NDC mo be kasa kire yewura Mahama mo be kasa ma fa ne ho mo be ka enyama e be ma party na gina na mo nim sa de ma ne ye me I started supporting yewura John Dramani Mahama any NDC 2016 when happy before e power pay 2 months time and me because the yewura Mahama chi estatico radio show TV show etirene no samuti wo na mo se sabi previous me ya MPP ni a no problem me ne mo nya chinye bia because sabi political party na adwane no ye mfalete ane ekodwane wo ane enkotu esika it is ene no samu se me ya MPP ni a adwobro eye ma fa me ho adwane be mo mu kan hu se ade e de ye obi no obi su di be ede ebe
na chese busu ansemo atike area to dwana chese no kokotie bai na chese o chere se na akoyo e otorofo na dafo nipa wudini ankasa ne trimu edin na mesi won me no na akoyo kwade no nyama hisa Captain Smart because ade Captain Smart abaye ne a ono nya ho abetna TV so e defend boy obenim se wajimi tie sometimes no what you want obi anim say oh this man there is a fool everybody knows but sometimes in so many too obvious see the mechanic in so many too obvious for people to know say indeed even though they know you are a fool no, it shouldn't be too obvious to the extent that people would actually believe say whatever they've been hearing about you, no correct. Because Captain, let me tell you something. The fact that you are defending this thing, Nakrano, shows that what Rita was saying the other day, he said, you've lost your credibility. What the this lady or Eastern region Eba was saying is true. You've actually lost your credibility. Now, even the NDC people, Ajia to say it is true that the woman lied to them, and for that, this woman will be a one-term MP. But the thing is, the NDC is not even going to win election in 2028. I can tell you an authority. Mark today's date, and then 7th November, and I'm telling you that 3 years, 1 month today, the MPP will win the national election and will win with a member of parliament, with 148 MPs. We will win with 148 MPs. I'm telling you. We will win with 148 MPs. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will get 50.7%. 50.7%. I told you so. Mark it on the wall. Even if I'm not there, remember that I told you. Remember that I told you that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will win the 2028 election with 50.7 votes or percent. And then people will get 148 MPs in parliament. Mark it on the wall. And I know I'll be there to bring this video back in 3 years, 1 month time to prove to you that I said it. So the NDC is not coming to power. So Kasoa, they forget about it, because I will be bringing someone to be standing in Kasoa. Ablekuma West, I will bring someone. Obabe Wini. Ablekuma North, I will bring someone. Ablekuma Central Magic City, for the first time. Ablekuma North, Dadabi. Ablekuma South, Choko, Kolegono area, for the first time, I will be winning that seat for the New Patriotic Party in 2028. I will bring my own person, and they will come and stand and they will win all these seats. Because I will be here to campaign for them, and that time I will have a bigger platform on YouTube. What I say? And to the NDC is not coming to power again. So stop dreaming about saying the work that the Mahama is not doing anything. In fact, he is not doing anything as a president. He's just wasting our taxpayers' money and wasting our time. I'm telling you, this is the honest truth. No one will tell you, but I will tell you on the show. He's incompetent. He knows. He told you himself that he's incompetent. He's indecisive. He can't even decide for himself. So he knows that his government is failing. He knows that the government has failed. And he should understand, say, no matter what, he will be going on as one of the most incompetent and useless presidents we've ever had. I'm telling you. And I know some people with low IQ or not, they'll never comment or comment section as it. But it's not about you people. You are talking to be a Nyansafo. You are talking to a Nyansafo. So if you like, I'm lie. But may catch an alcohol say, even if it takes 200 years, you will be arrested and jailed for publication of false information and misinformation and deceiving public officers. You'll be arrested. In 2029, me, I'll come and arrest you. Now, Koyo. You'll be arrested. Put it in your mind. You'll come and arrest you in 2029. That time, now you're not MP, you crampo. For someone to even protect you. You will change the laws and everything. Bana ke J bully Jiwo. Telling you. So whatever you are doing, do it. Because your time is coming very soon. How you can on TV? We didn't promise. Me that's it.